loves! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the post-vinified interview by Mix Global. Tama ba? Mamaya, mali pala yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito. Yeah! Mix Global! So, Vini shares their Coachella plans after an epic year-end party concert. So, mic check in. Mix checks in. Okay? Hindi siya prepared sa spill niya, no? Ay, nako. But before that, isama na natin yung Sweet Tooth official lyric video. Dahil inilabas na ng Vini PH ang official lyric video ng Sweet Tooth para makabisado na raw natin. Diba? Alright! Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko, kaya simulan na natin to. Let's go! Hey!
Your love is sweet like watermelon gum.
Let's go, Mika.
It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all. This Candy Crush, I hope it's never gone. Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart.
Hey, Sheena.
Ay,
yan talaga yung kotse. Ganda ni Stacy dito. Naalala ko siya. Oh, I love that. Okay. Cool.
Problem with the heart of candy rocks. You really have to work for it, but still don't get a lot. It's 4 AM, I'm still up in the dark. Buzzing off the sugar rush, I tried to make it stop, but how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hooked. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Ang seryoso natin.
Wanna get over it, but do I really, really want to? If I'm here every night, dreaming about your sweet tooth. But I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help if it wants you. I know there's plenty of words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Lakas ng spark. Turn.
Me and my sweet tooth.
Love that. So that's it for our Sweet Tooth official lyric video. Masyado kang natahimik. Binabasa ko kasi yung lyrics. Kaya, ganun, seryoso tayo dito. But anyway, let's move on to the interview by Mix Global after their Vinified concert. Alright, let's do this, Mix. Thank you for this. OA niya. Hey! Sound check. May the coconut na to.
3, 2, 1, shout! The coconut.
name's VJ Kring. We are here at the Philippine Arena for the Binified concert. Pero before the concert starts, iikot muna kami at kakausapin ang ating mga Blooms.
Yes, of course. At hindi lang namin sila i-interviewin. Siyempre, makikipagkulitan din kami sa kanila with our mini game. So,
Let's go!
Gen Mix, we are here with
I'm Camille.
Camille.
And I'm Keisha.
Camille and Keisha from
Vancouver, Canada.
Vancouver.
Wow.
You went all the way from Vancouver to
From Canada.
Wow, okay.
Vancouver,
Grabe yung mga
Canada.
fans nyo. Okay, how long have you been a fan of Teenie?
Since 2024. Yeah.
Since last year.
Yeah.
Same.
Last year.
What
Ate
song
girl.
made you be a fan of Teenie?
Pan Tropical.
Pantropico
Nice.
talaga.
Of
Iconic.
course.
How about you?
Salamin.
Hey,
Yes,
let's go!
you know mga TikTok dance craze. We love
That's
that.
our era.
Which track from
Ang daldal
Flames
niya.
is your favorite?
I like Infinity.
Right!
Infinity.
I like it too.
So far, fan favorite ha, with the answers. How about you?
Sweet Tooth, my favorite.
Hey!
Yes, Sweet Tooth. I love that as well. So now, what are you looking forward to in Beanie's journey next?
Beanie Journey. I'm looking forward to Coachella.
Oh, of
I'm
course.
not going, but I will watch online.
No, I thought you
guys
guys
are
are going to be there as well.
Bulacan to Coachella. How about you? What's your wish for Beanie?
Maybe one day they can perform at the Grammys. Maybe.
Oh my gosh, of course, why not?
Bulacan, Coachella, to
Grammys.
Grammys.
Let's
finally.
go.
And since you are well dressed today,
Yes, we
we'll
love your
have some
outfit.
game for you.
Okay. Okay, so
Sige,
this is just a mini dare or mini game. Like when you choose a letter from the album Flames, there is a corresponding dare or question. So you choose it wisely, okay?
So what letter do you choose?
I'll choose M.
Letter M. How about you?
F.
F. Okay. Okay. First letter M. Which Flames track matches your vibe today?
Oh.
What Flames track are you today? And kindly model it for us. Yes. You have to model it. Own it on the vibe.
I'll say Infinity.
Infinity.
Oh, okay.
Can we have some
Infinite
Sample.
Truther, si ate mo, girl.
How would
Yes.
you model Infinity?
Okay.
Of course.
Period. Slay Queen.
Perfect. I love that. Okay, yours is letter F, and letter F is a dare. And coincidentally, the dare is Dance the Sweet Tooth Challenge.
Yes.
Okay, your
Yeah,
favorite
okay.
Flames
Can you do
song.
it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Dance the Sweet Tooth Challenge.
3, 2, 1.
No, like the easiest, even like just the easiest
Kaya mo
steps
yan.
you remember.
Hey!
Actually, me too. That's the only step I can remember. Yes.
Wow, very good. Wow, parang
Very
akong
good teacher.
but because of that, thank you so much for being so game with us. You won yourselves a mixed merch over here. Okay.
Thank you so
Model it.
much, girls.
Malamig sa
Thank you
loob.
so much, girls. Grabe from Vancouver.
Sana may
pa
mga
yun.
jacket
Say
kayo.
hi to our Gen
Gen
Mix.
Mix. Okay, Mix Fam, ngayon meron kaming kasamang Bloom. What's your name?
Cedric po.
Si Cedric.
Hi.
Sinong kasama mo dito, Cedric?
Yung mga friends ko po.
Ayun o,
Wow.
may pa-shoutout siya. So, saan ba kayo galing yan?
Ako actually from Pangasinan. To sila dito lang. Araw.
Wow, ang layo.
Pangasinan pa.
Wow,
Layo
layo pa.
talaga siya. So, Cedric, how long have you
Grabe.
been a fan of Beanie?
More than a year na, actually.
Wow, talagang, pero ito, first concert mo to, hindi?
Fourth, third?
Wow,
Grabe.
grabe.
Perfect attendance.
Perfect
sa-
attendance. NFT ka pa ba?
Yun ang na-miss.
Grabe, tapos
Halos nga
lahat
eh,
na
oo.
everything. Wow.
Oo.
Pero ano ba sa Flames ang favorite mo na track?
Infinity.
Yeah.
Infinity.
Wow, co-wrote by Ryan
Infinity
Ichiro
Truther,
and-
let's go.
Yes, syempre, proud. Okay, so syempre, what are you looking forward to next sa journey ng Beanie?
I'm looking forward to all the best things para sa kanila, syempre.
Of
And
course.
sana pagpatuloy pa nila yung pag-inspire sa ibang tao. And yun, let's go, Coachella!
Hey,
Coachella
Coachella!
next year.
Oo.
Ay, grabe.
Nakakatawa
Ang sweet
naman.
niya naman.
Sobrang supportive talaga dito ni Cedric. At dahil supportive ka, gusto ka muna naming yayain sa isang mini challenge.
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
Jika?
Sige.
Okay, this is our mix recess. So, ang gagawin lang natin, pipili ka ng letters sa flames, di ba? F, L, A. Tapos, may mga corresponding there or question yon. So,
Okay.
and then, kapag nasagot mo, meron kang mix merch from us.
Yes.
Okay, anong letter for you?
M.
Okay,
M.
according sa mga hula. Wow.
Ang letter M ay isang question. At ang question ay, which flames track matches your vibe today? And i-model mo yon
Oo.
para sa amin.
Model.
Anong flames track pa today? Anong kanta?
Ano, kantahin ko na lang.
Ay,
sige.
go kuya.
Sure. May
Game,
pa-sample. Sige.
Okay.
Bitawan man ang mundo.
Ay! Infinity
Isipan may
talaga.
magulo.
Wow.
Nagkaroon ng pangarap na magkakasamang nabuo. Ilalaban
Ang ganda ng boses niya.
hanggang dulo. Pangako na subukin man ang panahon, magbago man.
Wow!
Singer naman pala to si Cedric.
Oo nga,
Sobrang
diba?
talented talaga ng mga blooms naman ng mana sa sa
Ganda ng
Bini.
boses.
Kaya naman pala game na game siya sa ating question na may kasama pang sample. So thank you so much, Cedric. Dahil dyan, meron kang Mix Merch!
Let us see the mix merch.
Yes!
Ito na! Ayan, thank you so much, Cedric. Say hi to our Gen Mix and say bye! Hey there, Gen Mix! Kasama naman natin
Wow.
sina.
Friends. Hi, I'm Owen.
I'm Sarah. From
Marikina.
Pampanga. Pasig.
Pasig.
magkakaiba ng address.
But you all are friends.
Yes.
Or friends dahil sa Bini.
Yes.
Oh, ang galing. Ang galing ko maghula, no? In fairness naman sa
So, gano'n na kayo katagal fan ng Bini?
Ako since 2023.
Oh,
Yes.
23.
Ako nung nagte-training pa sila sa camp Star Hut.
Wow! Coconut
OG.
Nut Day
Si
Star.
Day One.
OG Day
my
One
God.
sila. Bini Day One, so.
Simula nung nag-perform sila sa PBB Big Night.
Ay, grabe.
PBB Ocho Big Night.
Sobrang specific.
Sige, sobrang Asian.
Oo.
Mali!
Grabe naman sa Angel. Hindi, pero at least nakakatuwa sa
Oo.
Bini pa kayo nagkakilala at naging friends. Pero ngayon naman,
Oo.
we wanted to ask, ano yung favorite Flames track nyo?
I love Infinity.
Infinity! Ang daming
Ako,
ng Infinity.
Bikini.
Oh,
Bikini!
right.
First
Bikini.
Love.
Ay! Kaya nilang sumampol. Pero kayo ba, ano bang dream nyo para sa Bini? In their new journey?
For New Journey, more songs from the girls itself and more markets or more audience.
Me, since Coachella yung ano nila, sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung international na events nila.
Dream for Bini, more concerts and more gastos sa ating mga blooms.
More gastos pala.
Bakit
More
naman
support.
kuya
Talagang
ko? More
tuwa siya gumastos.
gastos.
Oo.
Gusto
Para
niya
sa walo, of
gumastos.
course. Budol king. Siya nang bubudol sa inyo. Okay, ngayon naman, kami ang magpapalaro naman sa inyo.
Pero may mini challenge sa inyo, guys. So, pipili lang kayo ng isang letter sa Flames and then meron siyang corresponding question or
Or dare.
dare. So, choose wisely.
S.
Yes. Okay.
Ako, F.
F.
Okay.
Okay. F.
How about
S.
you?
M.
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
Let's start with letter
Ayaw nila
S.
ng bawal.
Isa siyang challenge. We will play a Beanie song and you have to dance to that song.
Okay.
Oh,
Ay,
hold
ready
on,
siya,
Mera.
oh.
Yan na.
Ay,
Parang
ready siya.
Pinahawak na
Ready siya.
yung bag eh. Let's
Oh,
go,
ayan na.
ate.
Dahil dyan,
Okay.
play a Beanie song now.
Go.
Rinig ba? Rinig.
Ay, ready
Sana
siya,
rinig.
oh.
Okay, dahil hindi
one.
masyadong maririnig ng Gen Mix natin yung music, kakantahin namin ni VJ Crane yung nagpi-play ng music. 1, 2, 3, go! First love,
Ay!
Kinikilig
Ay,
pag magkasama.
kabisado.
Gabi na aalala sana. You could be my first love. You could be my first love. Ay, perfect. You have it ready siya. Stako,
Bagay
ikaw ba
sa
yan?
kanya.
Stako, ikaw yan?
Hey!
Bagong sa
Ang
hair
cute
niya.
ni
Love
ate.
it. Perfect. Fan daw siya ni Stako eh.
Ang
Ano
lakas.
yung next letter natin?
F.
Letter F. So, letter F for Owen. Ang letter F ay Dance the Sweet Tooth Challenge. So, for your dance. Dance the Sweet Tooth Challenge. Okay. Are you doing it?
Actually, ibang fans ganun yung ginagawa nila.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, ang cute.
Sige, perfect. Sobrang game naman nila. Okay. How about letter M? Letter M.
Ang MI question.
Okay.
Pero may kasamang challenge sa dulo. So, which Flames track matches your vibe today? And then you have to model it for us. Modeling.
Anong Flames track ka
Ano
today? Anong kanta sa Flames ka today?
Siguro Shaggy D. Kasi dami
Ay.
Shaggy D. Madami nangyayari si Shaggy D. And yung Shaggy D is yung official na soundtrack song ng World Tour. And sinusuot ko ngayon yung Here With You Homecoming shirt. So,
Nice!
yun.
Dahil dyan, i-model mo for us ang iyong shot.
Ay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Basta kasi wala nang mental ko. Simulan mo yun.
Si Kuya.
Parang naghahanap na ng away eh. Ng aaway. Hindi natin alam dyan.
Sabi nila, natakot din daw sila sa behind the camera.
Ay, ate, ang galing! Wala din itong friend group na to na nabuo dahil sa Bini. At dahil dyan, meron kayong exclusive Mix Merch!
Yan ang mga bebop friendships talaga.
Nakita niyo yung fan. Ayan. And say hi and bye to our Gen Mix.
Wala. Ang lakas talaga nito. Kilala ko yun, oh. Andyan ka na naman. Ang lupit talaga ni ate girl, oh. Hindi talaga siya nawawala sa pa-game sa pre-show, eh. Sayang, wala ako doon. I mean, hindi ko siya nakuhanan ng fancam. Anyway, sabi ko, akala ko tong interview na to is after the Bini5. Ang dami parang ganap. Bago pa magsimula yung Bini5, nag-interview na sila ng Blooms and then pinakita rin pala to. Feeling ko naabutan ko ba ito? Hindi na. Kung saan kasi ako pumupunta eh. Pagpasok ko eh. Ang dami kong ginawa sa buhay. Anyway, panoorin na natin.
First contestant, marinig naman ang hiyawan at sigawan! And where you from?
Oh, ang cute.
Alam ko ng Mix Merch. Yes, tawagan na natin mga kasama niyo. Sa gilid. Hello, mga taga-Las
Ang cute ni ate.
Okay. What's your name and where are you from? My name is Nicole Pagalan. I'm from Cebu.
Cebu! Mga lumipad talaga oh, para sa Bini.
Pwede mo nila?
Hi, Gen Mix! So that was Mix Checks In here at Bini5 2025 concert. Super happy kami sa mga fans na nakausap namin. And so far, ang fan favorite ay Infinity!
Right.
Napansin ko nga, Infinity ang favorite na. At napansin ko rin na kapag tinatanong natin sila ng dream nila for Bini ay more recognition talaga. Kasi deserved naman talaga ng girls. At nako, speaking of deserved, feeling ko deserved na rin nating pumarty.
Yes!
Dahil tapos lang natin mag-host ng pre-show segment ng Mix.
Yes.
Sana itag nyo kami kung nakita nyo kami doon.
Yes,
And
of course.
deserve na rin natin pumarty sa main show. Kaya tara na, let's go!
Yes, manunood na kami ngayon ng concert, pero later on, watch out for our interview with Bini. Let's go!
Wait lang. Ang daming naka-cowboy hat tapos di kinanta yung Blink Twice. Number 1 song ko yun sa Spotify eh. Walang Blink Twice. Anyways, let's go! Gusto ko lang isingit. Ang ganda ni Mika Lim! Lahat sila maganda. Nagniningning si Stacy. Ganda ni Aya! Ay! Hindi pa ako nakapag-move on sa ako. My gosh! Look at the hair! The Wind is a paid actress. My gosh! I love that. Hey! Grabe si Aya. Wow! Sobrang bagay ng red. Lakas. Hey! Walang magmo-move on sa performance ni Joanna. My gosh. That's 2026 color. Hey! Grabe talaga. Ang okay ko na naman. Sobrang Latina. Grabe si Gwen, oh. Ay! Lakas! Oh my God! Wah! Akala mo nanood ulit. Angas talaga. Ay, sobrang Latina. Nabaliw din ako dyan. May package. Woo! Grabe. Hey, let's go, Maloy! Hey, alam niyo na, Blooms, bakit may tungkod? Okay, tapunan pala. Kayo, Blooms, yung mga edits niyo. Right, shit. Yung party-party. Yung VIP Bloom, sinusundan. Ay! The best talaga si Colette, eh. Gets na gets, Mix. Bakit nyo hinuli? Gets na gets. Lakas talaga ni Colette. What do you mean? Nag-drum. Gigil na gigil, eh. I love that. Damn. Sobrang slave. Ang lakas niya. ni Mika dun sa ayos niya.
Hey, what's up, Gen Mix? It's DJ Ella, and today we are here with the
Let's
stars
go.
of the show, the one and only Nation's Girl Group, Vinny! Hello, girls. Grabe, ang dami pa rin nilang energy right after the concert. So first of all, congratulations on a very successful concert/party. So ngayon, what's this
Slash
this
party
time around?
talaga,
It's the
no?
second time nyo na to sa Philippine Arena na mag-concert. Gano'n na kayo, ka-hands-on with this one, with the theme and everything?
Ako, actually 2 hours of sleep lang po yung meron kami ngayon kasi gusto talaga namin mag-perfect, lalo na yung mga solo prods, yung parang dun namin binuhos din talaga lahat kasi minsan lang kami mag-solo prods and parang yun yung moment na mapapakita namin yung side namin outside Beanie, kung ano ba yung mga offer namin. Pero, sana nagustuhan nyo, pasabog yung mga, yung opening, yes, di ako makamove on.
Ako rin, Jo, hanggang ngayon.
Pinoy namin na mas
Isang linggo na.
interact talaga with
Yes.
Bloom. Since yung theme nga natin is party talaga, syempre for the year end, para ito yung tumatak sa kanila.
Actually, ang ganda nga nung stage nyo kasi talagang tinry nyong mas lumapit pa sa fans. Oo.
Ang haba. Super.
Gusto nyo yan eh.
Nauubusan na
Gusto
kayo
rin
topic,
namin
wala pa
yun.
kayo dun sa
Totoo po.
And saka may mga ibang gimmicks ngayon like yung butterfly swing. And speaking of kanina, kamusta ka naman, Colette and
Oh, me?
Sheena?
Busy vibe. I'm alive, charing. Pero ako, wala, naisip ko na talaga na may mangyayari. Kasi wala talaga magiging, may nangyayari talaga yung mga ganong bagay. So, ako pa inaantay ko na lang kung i-rescue ba kami nung nasa taas, ibababa ba kami. Pero si Sheena po kasi talaga iniisip ko kasi naiiyak din siya.
First time kong matakot ng gano'n na tumulo na luha ko. Hindi ako sasawang naiyak, Bloom. Talagang, grabe guys. Kasi si Ate Colette, hindi naman. Pero si Ate Colette kasi,
Same. Hindi kami naiyak sa song. Kahit na nakakaiyak yung Infinity. Ready pa naman luha ko sa Infinity. Kaso, naiyak kami kasi yung paru-paro nagsisway-sway pa. Ay, nako po. Okay, go back.
dire-diretso siya. So sabi ko, ano to? Mamamatay na ba?
Like,
Di ko tanggap. Wag muna.
Ibang pababa yung direction
Like,
nyo.
grabe po talaga. Grabe. Di ko ma-explain yung moment na yun. But thank you, Lord, we're alive.
Yes.
Dililipad, be, mahuhulog.
Oo, nag-iba tuloy. Pero at least it was still, a very successful one. And aside from this concert, diba, ang dami nyo pang naging ganap. Meron pa kayong newly released album called Flames. So congratulations, guys. So of course, I wanted to ask you girls individually, ano yung naging favorite track nyo na ni-record dun sa album na yun?
Ako.
Okay, let's start with
For me,
Colette.
Sweet Tooth.
Sweet Tooth. Okay.
Katabi.
Eh,
Katabi.
Katabi.
Infinity.
right.
Infinity, cute.
Katabi.
Infinity.
Infinity.
Hey.
Solid katabi, enjoy.
Wow.
Wow.
Infinity.
Wow,
I also like
paro-paro.
bikini.
So far for you guys,
Din.
puro katabi yung sagot nyo. Sa fans, ang favorite nila is Infinity. Talagang yun yung sagot nila. Did you expect na ito yung magiging fan favorite? Or meron kayong ibang ano? Si Sheena,
Sorry.
syempre.
Hindi kasi it's giving, wag muna tayong umuwi with
Right.
Carrera, with 8. Lahat ng mga songs namin na magaganda before.
Here With You.
Parang,
See?
yung mga nakakayak magsama-sama sa Infinity and
Correct.
super ramdam namin. So what more sa Blooms? Kaya
Sobra.
we expected it na maging favorite. Isa sa maging favorite nila Infinity.
Yes, actually super favorite siya ng fans nung nag-interview kami kanina. Yun yung gustong-gusto nila. So, once again, congratulations on that album release, girl. So, lastly, gusto rin malaman ng fans, how are the Coachella preparations?
Yes, opo.
Sobrang
Before,
big.
pag tinatanong kami about dyan, ang lagi namin sinasagot, nakafocus kami sa concert. Pero ngayong tapos na,
Coachella
siguro
na.
ano muna, mag-break muna tayo.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oo,
pahinga
yes,
naman.
Christmas break
Pahinga.
muna.
Namin, yes, bakbakan na tayo next year. First quarter, Coachella lang talaga kami nakafocus. But of course,
Okay.
syempre, meron din kami mga
Perfect.
ganap dito sa Philippines, di ba?
Of course, and it is a very well-deserved break for the girls. So, once again, thank you. Thank you so much, and congratulations on this concert.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
I love bikini. The new Pantropico. 2026, get ready for bikini. Hey! Oh! So, tapos na. Nag-enjoy pa ako manood eh. At mag-comment. Sorry, Blooms, ang ingay ko. Reaction gusto nyo, di ba? So, that is my reaction. Napakaingay niya. Pasensya na kayo. Sobrang natutuwa lang ako sa mga pangyayari. Ang dami nangyari doon, Mix, ah. But thank you for that, for giving us that kind of interview. And may pa-challenge pa kayo sa Blooms and everything. So, yun lang. I hope you enjoy it. And thank you guys for watching this and for supporting this channel. Oh! So, still, next reaction video. Bye, Blooms. Ingat kayo palagi.